Hey guys, how y'all doing today? I wanted to just drop some inspiration and motivation on you all, young entrepreneurs, this morning. Something that came across my mind. So, real short and sweet. This should help you out on your journey. It's something that definitely helped me get focused and going in the right direction. So, basically, what I'm hinting at is having a plan, pre-planning. Pre-planning is a very important thing. Let me break down what I mean to you all. If you have plans to do something, and if those plans take some time to develop over and over, takes a lot of thinking, brainstorming, giving, a month, 2, 3 months, even a year, 2 years, whatever, plans. Okay. So you have a goal that you want to accomplish. That could be making a certain amount of money, whatever. That could be getting a certain amount of views, whatever it is for you, whatever that goal is you're planning for. That's the difference in life. Because if you are actively planning and developing something that takes time and energy and thought and all of that stuff, what you're doing is falling in love. You're spending a lot of time with that idea to reach that goal. So what you're doing is you're falling in love. Like, say, like my wife is in the other room, but I have an idea in here. I'm like cheating on my wife because I'm spending so much time on my idea. And my wife is wondering, why is he never in the room? Is he in there on the phone with some other chicks? Is he on his TikTok? What is it? What is it that keeping it? It's simply my passion to reach my goal. Okay? Pre-planning. Now, the reason I bring that up is because if you don't have a plan, 9 times out of 10, if you reach a certain point and accomplish a goal, let's say your goal is to make $1 million, but you don't have a plan for the $1 million. So when you get the $1 million, all kind of hands can take it from you. All kind of temptations can take it from you, blah, blah, blah. Now you right back where you were before. You see what I'm saying? Planning is an addictive thing. Planning is something that's going to help you when you reach the goal, take it to the next level, investing, whatever that may be. Like I said, contacting those viewers that you got. What's the reason for the goal? I guess that's what I'm saying in a nutshell. Don't just have a plan, but have a reason for the goal or plans after you reach the goal. I think I'm making sense. I think anybody intelligent can understand where I'm coming from. So you plan to reach a goal, but once you reach the goal, you need to have a plan for the success. You understand what I'm saying? A plan for the success. That's the message that I'm trying to deliver today. It's that plan for the success that pretty much hook, line, and sinker makes sure you will be successful. Take it from Iron Lion. Go back and listen to this again. Play it over and over again and let it sink into your brain because it's truth. And the truth will set you free. You need to have a plan after the goal is accomplished. All right? Good luck. Drop a comment below. Let me know how you feel. Let me know about some of y'all's plans and goals. Free up. Use this platform to express yourself, relieve some stress, whatever. All right? Enjoy my music. I got new releases coming in the release section for rappers and singers. Anybody with talent that needs to record over something, you can get a license from me, or I make you a custom track, flat fee, whatever. Just get in touch with me. All right. I'm getting a little older, so I'm laid back. Make sure you want to go ahead and get one of these ILWs before it's too late. Custom made music, custom made song, or whatever. All right. That's what I love to do. So be in touch. Drop a comment below. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. And most importantly, think about the plans you have once your goal is accomplished. What are you going to do with that success? Very important. Peace and love.